1 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 16 once again. He was under compulsion because it was the calling that he directly received from God. Ang sabi po dito, sapagkat kung ipinangangaral ko ang ebanghelyo, ay wala akong dahilan upang magmalaki, sapagkat ang katungkulan ay iniatang sa akin. You see, he received the calling from God. And he shouldn't resist the calling or ignore the calling. Sapagkat ang katungkulan ay iniatang sa akin, kahabag-habag ako kung hindi ko ipangaral ang ebanghelyo. You see, naunawaan ni Pablo ang autoridad ng ating Panginoon na tumawag sa kanya to lay down the foundation. Kahabag-habag siya kung i-ignore niya yan. Nakita natin yan sa buhay ni Jonah. Tinanggihan niya ang calling ng Panginoon. What happened to him? And do not fix your mind kay Apostle Paul. Kasi ang Great Commission ay iniwan ng Panginoon sa lahat ng kanyang mga disciples. Going therefore, preach the gospel to all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit, teaching them to observe all things that I have commanded you. So meron tayong commission na binigay ng ating Hari at Panginoon na hindi natin dapat baliwalain. At katulad ng attitude ni Apostle Paul, woe am I if I do not obey the Great Commission. Woe is the church if the church keeps on ignoring the Great Commission. And this is what happens sa maraming mga churches. Umabot na lang ng maraming taon ay talagang nagpapabaya sa evangelism sa Great Commission. And what happened sa mga churches na yon? Dying churches. Because there is a clear command na talagang ini-ignore repeatedly and consistently and perennially ini-ignore. Now, natutuwa tayo na maraming mga evangelistic ministries ang ating iglesia. But we could still grow even more. And you could still involve yourself even more kung hindi ka pa nag-involve nito. At kung nanghihina ang kaluluwa mo at napapagod at times, pray that God will continue to ignite your passion once again to obey Him and to proclaim the gospel for Christ.